Alrighty guys, welcome back. So today guys, we actually have some new tow mirrors to go ahead and install on my 2000 Ford Excursion. Alrighty guys, now this style of mirror is based off of a 6.4 Power Stroke tow mirror. They are the square type and they don't have the slant in them right here like the ones on these 6.7s. And the current tow mirrors I have on my 2000 Ford Excursion here are the ones that are kind of like rounded off. As you guys can see, it's that style of the original 99 through 04 F250, F350 Super Duties. So I figured it'd be time for an upgrade, and so I went ahead and got some new tow mirrors to install on the Excursion today. So that's what we're going to be doing, and I'm just going to go ahead and take you guys along for it because it's overall pretty easy installation, but not a lot of people know how to do it. So all you really got to do is just open up the door, take off the door panel, which I've done on all 4 of my doors actually, because I've installed all new door speakers. And I'm actually going to have to remove one speaker. Well, I'm not sure 100% yet, but I may have to remove one door speaker on each side. I mean, I could put it right back once I'm done installing the mirrors, but apparently there's one wire that you have to run through the new wire with that, because these are plug and play if you buy them on Amazon. There'll be a link down below in the description. And they're pretty cheap, by the way, too. I forget the exact price I bought them for, but anyways, they're pretty cheap and easy to install. So we're going to do that, but you do just have to take off the interior door panel, and then on the inside, there's a little cap thing you just got to pop off, which also gives you access to a bolt that nut that you have to take off to be able to take off the stock tow mirrors. But the reason you need inside the door panel is for the wire that comes with it, and it does come with an adapter. I do believe that we can go ahead and just make it plug and play, but it also does come with just the normal plug as well without the adapter, because you can also put these on newer trucks as well. So with that guys, we're going to hop straight into it, and I hope you guys enjoy. So I'll catch you guys once I'm outside at my truck, taking off the old tow mirrors with the round style for the original Super Duties. And so we're gonna hop into that, and then I'll get into the installation of these. So hope you guys enjoy. Leave a like if you do, and with that, catch you guys once we're out there. Alrighty guys, so real quick, since we're out here in the garage, about ready to open up the doors to my Excursion, it's right out there. I don't know if I'll pull it up right to where the 6.0 is. I might just install them right out there, because there is actually just a little bit of sunshine to keep me warm over there. But yeah guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and take the trusty dusty pocket knife here, and well, maybe there we go. And it's a little bit slippery. Well, as normally, yeah, there we go. You can just get it right there, and then same on the other side here. Yeah, close enough. All right, now we can go ahead and just see what's inside the box here. I'll just show you guys what they look like, and also in comparison to the old ones, the size difference. They are just a little bit bigger, which is always better because of the tow mirrors. Alright, we got this little paper thing, and got some styrofoam to dig into. So this is the unboxing and then review. But soon we'll get into the review and the setup of the tow mirrors. So styrofoam is now out. So here are the tow mirrors, and of course here's the adapters that they come with, and there's just the normal plugs. The other adapter should be over here somewhere. I'll show you guys real quick. So there's the other adapter. Yeah, see, here's the normal flat plug for the newer trucks. These are stock for the newer trucks right here. Now, I'm not 100% sure. Mine is a 2000, but I think in 2001 they switched over to these plugs. But since mine's a 2000 and Super Duties went through 99 through 04, but I'm pretty sure in 99 and 2000 they had these circle plugs, so I'm not too sure which one mine will take, but I'll show you guys. Because I know some people with 01s and 02s that have installed these in other YouTube videos, they just have these plugs on them. But now I know mine's a 2000, so now I'm a little curious if mine's gonna be a circle plug or not. But I'll get into the whole process here in just a minute. First things first, I'm gonna put these back in the box and then open up the garage door, go out there, set up the camera, take off my door panel, get all situated, getting the old mirrors off, and then we'll be able to install these ones. So should be simple enough. And now catch you guys once I'm at my truck. guys, first mirror off on the passenger side here. So all you have to do is take off your door panel, take off this, pull back this. There's a nut there and a nut behind this one. There's you have to pop off your two little grommet things. There's a nut there and a nut there. You gotta take off your speaker right here. Figured that out. The plug is gonna be right here. Then wherever my adapters are, set my adapters in here. You are gonna need to use them if your truck is 2000 or 99, but in 2001 you don't need to use the adapters. So yeah, so we're just that simple. We got the first one out. Now all we're gonna do is just put the new ones on. And by the way, guys, to get your door panel off, if you didn't already know, gotta pop off this, gotta pop off this, and gotta pop off your reflector here. All you need to use for all three is flathead screwdriver. Just pop off, and down here pop off, and you need to unscrew out the little light bulb. You can get your door panel off, sitting right there. All right, so that's it for that right now. And yeah, so catch you guys once you get the new mirror in. Alright guys, real quick, here's the size comparison of the old mirrors compared to the new ones. Pretty big difference. About to go ahead and get them installed, and I'll catch you guys at that. Alrighty guys, just went ahead and finished up our first mirror here on the passenger side. Also went ahead and got the smoked blinkers there. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is well, I'll show you guys how I did it. Alright, so I just went ahead and connected the 1, 2, 3, 4 down here. Just went ahead and connected it. Had my dad hold up. First place I had Alex hold it up, but there's a little bit of a sealing issue right here. I mean, as you guys can see, it pretty much lines up as good as it's gonna get, but it was like really pushed forward, and there's a big gap right out here because I tightened the two right here, the one right there and right there on the inside first when Alex was holding it, and then he had to end up going. So I had my dad hold it, and then he told me I should probably do these two right here first. So I did that, so it kind of pushes it more up against the door there, and it's still sealed right there, and it looks pretty good. Look at those mirrors, guys. I mean, this thing looks pretty good compared to that one there. Let me just show you guys with the door shut. I mean, hey, but that's the mirror now connected and installed. Look at that comparison right there. I don't know, I like it. I'd say it looks pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and just go through a time lapse of doing the other one, and you know, call it a day. But yeah, I just kind of went through the process of this one, taking off door panel. I told you guys like how to do all that, and you're gonna have to take off this, and I went ahead and used the adapter right there. I don't know if I showed you guys that, and then plugged it into this, so that all goes right there, and it's plugged in there for all the functions of the mirror. As you guys can see, it is heated just like the old mirror there. You got one more mirror and a adapter right there. So we're gonna go ahead and put back on the speaker, door panel, bolt it all down, and put all the other stuff that clips back in right there, as well as the reflector right there for the door. So oh, I'm so happy we got some new mirrors on. So it's freezing outside now, so I'm gonna go ahead and hurry up on the other side. I'm just gonna go through it real quickly. So catch you guys at that, and yeah, so catch you guys once I'm in the middle of just doing all that. Quick guys, new mirror, old mirror, new mirror, old mirror. There you go, right there, right there. guys, both tow mirrors are now on. You know, I could have waited till tomorrow. No, my hands haven't been able to feel them for the past hour, but here we are. New tow mirrors are on. Give me just a minute. Just gotta go ahead and pick up this one we left over here a little while ago. And I'll just keep these, you know, probably just to sell them or something, or give them to a friend that has the same truck. You know, I do that stuff. So, you know, it's always nice just to keep them just for a rainy day. But yeah, here they are, guys. The heating works in them, and the like, you know, auto, I think it's called telescoping, but no, the telescoping is when you pull them out like that. They pull out pretty easily and go back in pretty easily, and they stay. But like this thing right here, where you can turn them by using that electronically, that works on both sides. Heating works, stuff like that. Now one day I might tap into these lights right there on the side and make them work, but for tonight I just wanted them on. As you guys can see, they don't work with the headlights on or run lights or anything. You have to tap into wires and all that junk, and it's way too cold and it's getting later for me to do that. So maybe another day I'll do it, but just for now I wanted them on. They look pretty good. I'd say they look pretty good with my 6.0 headlights. Now I got 6.4 mirrors with my 6.0 headlights, and definitely makes it look a lot better, and I'm a pretty big fan of them. So let me know down below in the comments what you guys do think. I'm freezing, so I'm going inside to edit up this video and get it uploaded for you guys. So thanks for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed, subscribe if you're new and already, and with that one, I'll catch you guys very, very soon in the next one.